You stand up from the couch and feel like your whole body creaks. Your back feels tight, your hips feel stiff, and when you bend to pick up your baby, your balance feels off. You're cleared for activity, but your body still feels fragile, almost foreign. Hi, I'm Cherry, a certified maternal and newborn nurse with over 25 years of experience helping moms recover physically and emotionally after birth. If you're wondering why your body feels weak or stiff weeks or even months postpartum, today we are breaking down exactly what's happening inside your body and what you can do to safely rebuild strength and confidence. Before we dive in, don't forget to grab your free resource hub for career moms using the link below. It's my all-in-one library of nurse-created checklists, guides, and recovery tools designed to help working moms heal faster and feel more like themselves again. Okay, let's start with the big question. Why does your body feel so fragile after birth? Pregnancy and delivery change your musculoskeletal system more than most people realize. Your core, hips, and back spend months adapting to the extra weight of the baby and shifting center of gravity. Hormones like relaxin and progesterone loosen your ligaments and soften your joints so your body can deliver safely. But they don't disappear the moment you give birth. Studies show that joint laxity can remain for up to 5 months postpartum, sometimes longer if you're breastfeeding. That means your joints are still a little bit more unstable, even as your muscles are trying to remember what normal feels like again. The result? Tightness, stiffness, or even mild aches when you stand, twist, or bend. It's not that you're doing anything wrong. It's your body recalibrating. Let's talk about your core and posture because they play a huge role in this feeling of weakness. During pregnancy, your abdominal muscles stretch to make room for that baby. That separation, called diastasis recti, plus changes in your pelvic floor can leave your core feeling unstable. When your deepest abdominal muscles aren't firing properly, other muscles like your back and hips take over, working overtime just to keep you upright. That's why everything feels tight. Your body's compensating to keep you supported. Posture also shifts dramatically after birth. The feeding, rocking, and baby carrying positions pull your shoulders forward and tilt your pelvis under. These add strain to your spine and your hips, creating that locked up feeling many moms describe, especially by the end of the day. But here's the good news. Your body can rebuild stability and strength safely and without fancy workouts. Here's what helps most. Start with gentle mobility before intensity. Small daily movements, shoulder rolls, hip circles, and gentle trunk twists restore circulation and range of motion. Movement keeps healing tissues supple and reduces that morning rusty hinge feeling. Then reconnect your core with every breath. Practice diaphragmatic breathing. Deep inhale that expands to your ribs and belly. Slow exhales that draw your abdominals inward. This reactivates your transverse abdominis, the deep core muscle that stabilizes your spine and your pelvic floor. Next, rebuild strength slowly. 5 to 10 minute session with your own body weight are enough at first. Gentle squats, wall sits, bridges, or standing marches train your muscles to work together again. The goal is not calorie burn, not at all. It's coordination. Also, mind your ergonomics. Most stiffness comes from repetitive strain, leaning into a bassinet, hunching at a desk, twisting to feed. Keep baby and workspace at midline and support your arms and back while feeding or pumping. And finally, remember, rest builds strength. Muscle repair happens during recovery, not nonstop activity. Stay hydrated, Eat balanced meals and allow short rest breaks to let your tissues rebuild. If you want structured checklists, you'll find all of them inside my free resource hub for career moms. It is free and built for working moms who don't have to Google every recovery advice. Now, when should you call for help? If you notice sharp pelvic pain, heaviness, urinary leakage, or pain that radiates down your legs, your pelvic floor or lower back may need targeted care. A women's health physical therapist can assess your alignment, muscle balance, and scar mobility to create a plan tailored for you. Early therapy can prevent long-term discomfort and help you feel strong again sooner than later. Recovery is not about bouncing back. It's about building forward. The stiffness and weakness you feel now are signs that your muscles and nerves are waking up and learning to work together again. Give yourself patience and consistency. Every week, you're becoming more coordinated, stronger, and steadier. If you're ready for the next step in your recovery, watch this video right here. It's a practical guide packed with nurse-tested strategies. The ones that truly speed up recovery without overdoing it. And before you go, remember these. Feeling fragile doesn't mean you're failing. It means your body is healing from the inside out. Strength isn't measured by how fast you recover. It's built through steady, thoughtful care for yourself. If this video helped you feel a little bit more confident, please like and subscribe. It tells YouTube to share more nurse-back postpartum guidance with moms who need it most. I'm Cherry, and I will see you in the next one.